Do you feel stressed, overwhelmed, or burned out by the challenges of life? Do you wish you could rewire your brain and body for more calmness, clarity, and resilience? If you answered yes, then you need to read this book. The 5 Resets: Rewire Your Brain and Body for Less Stress and More Resilience. This is a groundbreaking book that reveals the secrets of how to manage your stress and bounce back from adversity using 5 simple but powerful mindset shifts. So stay tuned. We all know that stress is a big bummer. It can drain our energy and mood and even push us to the edge of exhaustion. But don't worry, there's a solution. By managing stress, we can boost our health and happiness. And that's where the 5 resets come in handy. How? It is all hidden behind the experience and profession of the author. Let's find out. Meet Dr. Aditi Nerurkar, the author. A Harvard-trained stress guru and a pioneer of integrative medicine. She has a secret weapon to help you cope with life's challenges, the 5 resets. In this book, she reveals how she has helped thousands of people change their lives for the better with her simple but powerful techniques. You will discover how to focus on what really matters, tune out the noise, harmonize your mind and body, breathe easy, and shine your brightest. With these 5 resets, you will learn how to rewire your brain and body for less stress and more resilience, and live a happier, healthier, and more rewarding life. Sounds awesome, right? Then let's dive in. Dr. Nerurkar stumbled upon a shocking fact in her research that inspired her to create a unique clinical approach to deal with stress and burnout. She learned that while stress affects almost 80% of doctor visits, only a tiny 3% of doctors actually help their patients manage it. Dr. Nerurkar decided to fill this huge gap with her innovative methods. After seeing the impact of stress on her patients for over 2 decades, she came up with a solution that was not only based on science but also easy to follow, practical, and free of cost. As stress and burnout became a global problem that needed urgent attention, Dr. Nerurkar didn't keep her approach to herself. She took the stage as a Fortune 50 speaker and shared her powerful strategies with people all over the world, spreading hope and resilience wherever she went. Now let's summarize the book. Dr. Nerurkar wants us to rethink our view of stress as something bad. Stress is actually a natural and helpful response that helps us deal with life's challenges. The trouble starts when stress doesn't match our life's pace, causing us to feel burned out, tired, restless, and sick. To restore our stress to healthy levels, Dr. Nerurkar shares her 5 small but mighty mindset shifts, along with 15 strategies based on over 20 years of practice, to help us cope when life gets tough. These science-backed mindset shifts are designed to help you navigate challenging moments and build resilience. Let's explore them. First reset. Get clear on what matters most. Understand your core values and priorities. By aligning your actions with what truly matters, you can reduce stress and find purpose. Second reset. Find quiet in a noisy world. Amid the constant noise and distractions, learn to create moments of stillness. Mindfulness practices, meditation, and unplugging from technology can help. Third reset. Sync your brain and your body. Recognize the mind-body connection. When your thoughts and physical sensations are in harmony, you experience better overall well-being. Fourth reset. Come up for air. In our fast-paced lives, taking breaks is essential. Regular pauses allow you to recharge, gain perspective, and prevent burnout. The fifth reset. Bring your best self forward. Cultivate resilience by showing up authentically, maintaining a positive mindset, and practicing self-compassion. Dr. Nerurkar has shaped her explanation over 8 chapters in the book. And those are: Chapter 1. What's your stress really telling you? Chapter 2. What your brain thinks about stress. Chapter 3. The first reset. Get clear on what matters most. Chapter 4. The second reset. Find quiet in a noisy world. Chapter 5. The third reset. Sync your brain and your body. Chapter 6. The fourth reset. Come up for air. Chapter 7. The fifth reset. Bring your best self forward. Chapter 8. The fast track. Now let's discuss the tips author has suggested which can help us to reset. Here are a few instant mood boosters inspired by the 5 resets. 1. Morning clarity ritual. Wake up, stretch like a contented cat, and ask yourself, what truly matters today? Prioritize your top 3 tasks. Imagine them as glittering gems on your to-do list. Focus on those first. 2. Mini mindful moments. While sipping your morning coffee or tea, be present. Feel the warmth, taste the flavor. Notice the sunlight streaming through the window. Breathe. You're in this moment, not yesterday or tomorrow. 3. Tech timeout. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Put your phone on silent or airplane mode. Use this sacred time to read a page from a book, doodle, or simply stare out the window. Blissful silence. 4. Body-brain sync dance party. Blast your favorite song. Wiggle, shimmy, and groove. Your brain high-fives your body. Bonus points if you add air guitar or interpretive dance moves. 5. Lunchtime escape. Step away from your desk. Find a cozy spot, a park bench, a sunny corner, or even your balcony. Breathe in fresh air. Imagine stress melting away like ice cream on a warm day. 6. Kindness ripple effect. Compliment someone. It could be a colleague, a neighbor, or the barista who makes your coffee. Watch their face light up. Kindness is contagious. Remember, these tiny steps add up to a more resilient you. So go forth, my friend, and sprinkle resilience like confetti. Now let's discuss the key takeaways. You'll unwrap some delightful mental gifts. 1. Clarity on priorities. Imagine decluttering your mental closet. This book hands you a map to find your golden nuggets. You'll learn to prioritize what truly lights up your soul. Say goodbye to stress overload. 2. Secret garden moments. Picture a bustling city, but suddenly you stumble upon a hidden garden. Time slows down and the world hushes. You'll discover how to create these pockets of peace, mindfulness, unplugging cozy moments. Serenity. 3. Brain-body high-five. Ever felt like your brain and body were playing tug-of-war? This book ties them together with a glittery ribbon. Sync your thoughts with physical sensations. You'll become a superhero of well-being. Woman superhero. 4. Pause, breathe, conquer. Life's a marathon, not a sprint. But sometimes we sprint like caffeinated squirrels. Chipmunk, this book gives you permission to pause, sip metaphorical tea, and regain your flow. Hit that reset button. 5. Authentic fabulousness. Strut into a room, cape billowing, and say, "Hey world, I'm fabulous." Glowing star, be you, authentic, positive, and kind. Resilience blooms when you do. Bonus points for sprinkling kindness like confetti. Party popper. So, grab your superhero cape or cozy socks, whatever floats your boat, and let this book be your warm hug for brain and heart. Who should read this book? This book is suitable for anyone who wants to learn how to manage stress better and lead a healthier, happier, and more resilient life. The book provides practical, real-world solutions that are time-efficient, cost-free, and can be applied to anyone's life. The book also explains the science behind how stress affects our brain and body, and how we can rewire them for optimal well-being. This self-help book is written by a doctor who knows what she is talking about. She gives clear and helpful tips on how to make small but powerful changes in your life. We liked how she suggested to focus on only 2 things at a time to make them realistic and meaningful. The book could have explained more of the science behind her ideas, but maybe she wanted to keep it simple and personal, which she did well. The book is easy to follow and has a good structure. It has a nice mix of stories, questions, and practical steps. This book delivers what it promises. The hardcover of the book has 288 pages. Currently, the book has 4.9 out of 5 stars rating. You can grab a copy of this book from the link given in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check out other interesting videos. Thank you for watching.